Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we have something very special for you. A lesson from one of the most genuine, hardworking, and talented Dholis that I know. Meet Sunil Chuah.
Hey Manvir, thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this program to motivate Dhol players around Asia or the world. My name is Sunil Chuah. I'm from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I've been playing Dhol approximately since the year of 2009, and this started back during my college days. Among my journey of playing Dhol, I have actually experienced and witnessed many different sorts of playing. The classical style of playing Dhol and the modern style, the Western style of playing Dhol. Now, my personal advice to everyone there is do not stop what you're doing when you're going to start playing the Dhol. Right? Do not stop whatever you're doing. Keep up the good work. Keep up the practice. Practice does not make perfect to me, but it gets you closer to what you want to achieve. So chase your goals, chase your dreams, be the best at what you do. God bless all of you. Thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of your program, Simply Dhol. Today what I'm going to share with you guys is a tihai, which I derived from the Torah. This is from the Torah again and again and again, again and again and again. So Ge is played as open bass, and Na will be at the single stroke on the tibby, right? So now the Torah is again and again and again and again and again. Now the practice for this Torah, it should be constant, right? From slow to fast. Once you have actually achieved the comfortness in playing at one particular speed. For an example. So I'm going to play from slow to fast, okay? So from here, what I just did was a Torah, okay, which is actually commonly used, right? So now, what I derived the tihai from here is again and again and again and ta, again and again and again and ta, again and again and again and ta. See, if you count it from your fingers, it's going to be again and again and again and ta, again and again and again and ta, again and again and again and ta. So it completes a total eight count, right? So it's going to be so you're going to use it in application, right? For an example. If you're going to, for an example, you're going to speed this up, okay? It's a very simple tihai, and we are playing again and again and again and Dhol. Alright? Instead of using Ge, you can use K, which is the close bass. So it's going to sound like. So practice two ways, alright? Using close bass, which is K. And of course, again and again and again and Dhol. Before we can actually close this, alright, and end the session, right? I would like to wish all of the Dhol players, alright, do practice this very frequent. It's one of the common Torahs that's always used, okay? So again and again and again and again. So just maintain this at a very constant speed, okay? constant speed, right? Increase the speed. You may increase the tempo, and once you find a level that you are difficult at playing in this particular toda, right? So you may reduce the speed again, and then try to pick it up. Okay, once you achieve a proper speed that you're comfortable with, then increase it some more and go try to push yourself. Okay, do not demotivate yourself that saying that this is impossible. Everything's possible, right? Of course, lots of practice, a lot of dedication, a lot of discipline in practicing. Yes, you will definitely achieve this. All right. So one more time, I'm just going to play for you this toda. All right, again and again and again, from slow to fast. So, I wish you guys all the best. Thank you so much, Manvir, for letting me be a part of this program. And I wish you all Dhol players all the best and keep working hard for your dreams. Thank you.